Hi guys, hello. It is Suzie QTingz coming to you with another video. Do you like my hair? Let me know if you like my hair. So I'm trying something a little bit new. Anyway, if you're new, welcome. If you're already subscribed, big up on yourself and you don't know what is what. As you can see, in today's video, I am going to be doing Boxycharm. Okay, so Boxycharm is a monthly prescription that you can order, and you get a whole bunch of different products, you know, skincare, and whoops, my mirror. Okay, so this is the first skincare. This one is the Skininc supplement bar, daily doses, and it's a serum cocktail. And it has like little pebbles inside of it. There is no smell to it. I'm gonna try it on my face and to see if, you know, it plumps my skin up. It's a serum and it's a cocktail and things. So, you know, the thing is that I can't find the boxes. I don't know what I did with the boxes to read the ingredients inside of it. But here I'm just putting it on my face, just trying it on just to see how it looks before I apply my makeup to get this look. The second one is the now the second one is the Glow Recipe Plum. Here it is. Yeah, the Glow Recipe plum serum. There's another word down here I cannot pronounce, and I'm not gonna bite my tongue. So this one is deep, hydrated, and glow. So this gives you that glow, girl. So here I'm putting it on my face also to give me that glow. Yes. And the next one that's coming up, you know, it's the egg, and it's the blending sponges. Love the colors, which is really nice. And the other one is the Eloise, if I'm saying that correctly. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. This brush does a lot of things: foundation, concealer, bronzer, finisher, body paint, self-tanning, self-reflect, and finishes. So this brush does a whole lot, and I love the packaging on it. The next one I have here, obviously, is the eyeshadow palette, which I will be using today to do my eyes and makeup today. The other one, I think this is this is not the last one. The next one I have is the 24 karat gold lip mask, so lip plumping mask from Kiss the Stars. So here I'm trying it on my lips. I don't put it all over my lips because one side of my lip I had burn on it, so I'm just putting it on the bottom lip mostly, and it is 24 karat gold. So let's see how that one works out. So yep, here I'm trying it on my lip, and this one is the Kiss the Stars. And the other one is the heated brush, which I thought is really good because I could use it in my hair and also my daughter's ear, which is the Soli right here. So yeah, try to demonstrate right here. And the next one, the last one, is a lip liner that I have right there. So it's a matte and nude color, which I will be trying on also on my lips to let you guys see. Right? Something basic, something simple, and something popping. So let's go. Let me find my lashes. Okay, as you can see, I'm still attempting to do my makeup from Barbarella. Yeah, I'm applying, I think, Jason to my eyes. The base part I did a little olive and then rouge. So I think I'm doing Jason now. And, you know, trying something here. I'm not a professional, you know, but I can do a little to help myself. And you don't have to be a professional or a makeup guru to add some makeup to your eyes, you know. As long as it looks good and it's blended in properly, then that's all that matters. Matters. Okay, so you know, just looking good and feeling good about yourself. So I love the palette. Boxycharm is a monthly prescription, $25 a month. This video is not sponsored, but I thought I would just share, you know, the knowledge, and the products that you get with Boxycharm are amazing. I love it, and yeah, you guys should go try it. I put the link down below, so you guys go try it out. Okay, Boxycharm. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to like blend these colors. I don't want it to be overpowering. I just want it to be, you know, cute and subtle. So I'm just using the mirror from my palette here. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to probably just add like a little glue at the corner. And yeah, and then put on some foundation. So here I am. I'm ready to apply my foundation. The foundation I'm using is from Maybelline, the Perfect Fit. Just like a frog in my throat, excuse me. So it's Maybelline, the Perfect Fit. It's a matte, and this one is the 300 chestnut, and it's light, it's not heavy, it's a heavy day wear, like, you know, if you're running to go do errands, if you have something to go do. I like this foundation because it's not overpowering, and you know, it's just simple and everyday wear. So Maybelline, the perfect fit. So I'm just here applying some more foundation to my face. I did my eyes. I think it comes out really good. So I think once everything is done, then, you know, you will see the finishing touch. But right now I'm still applying some more of the foundation, the Maybelline Perfect Fit. Yep, so there I'm just applying some more of that foundation onto my face. Try to blend it in, make sure, you know, I get all the corners of it. I'm sitting down now, so clearly I'm all over the place doing this makeup here. 1 minute I'm standing, the next minute I'm sitting, the next minute I'm here, the next minute I'm there. So, you know, it's just one of those days that I'm doing this video, and you know, it's just real life. Come on now, you know, real life. It's the real thingamajig up in here, you know. So I'm doing my eyes, my eyelashes. Sorry, I'm doing my eyelashes. I'm not going to put on any lashes today. I'm just going to put on some mascara, and I think the mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline also mascara. So just a simple mascara onto my eyes, some eyeliner, you know, having the girl looking all cute and thing. As I said, ain't nothing really, you know, overpowering, just something simple everyday wear. So yeah, I'm just doing my eyeliner right now, and I'm wiping off whatever excess that I got there underneath my eyes. The Fendi highlighter that I am using, the two Fendi highlighter that I am using, you know, just to highlight my cheekbones, you know, give me a little pop there. Nothing extravagant, you know, like over the top, you know, just something simple. So I'm just applying a little of that on to my upper cheekbone, you know, just give me that extra glow onto my face. And yeah, some part here the lighting sucks where I'm at, so I'm just have to work with it. I think I need to get me a ring light, because Lord away, help me. But yeah, I'm just here applying the Fendi highlighter onto my upper cheekbone to give me that extra oof, that extra glow. Applied over my forehead, underneath my chin, here and there and everywhere. So yes, that's what's going on here. And yeah, I think it's coming along pretty good. Fixing my hair. Okay, so right here I'm just adding some bliss sticks to my lip. As I said before, I had too many salts, so inside of my lip it's burnt, so there's a little sore right there. So the bliss stick helped me a whole lot with it. It's healing now, so I'm just applying some of the bliss stick there. I'm not going to put the liner all over on my top lip, mostly like onto the bottom, but to avoid that area I just apply the bliss sticks to make sure that, you know, it's not irritated or anything. Okay guys, this is the finishing touch. I used the Boxycharm makeup palette, which was great. I love the colors. The pigment is really good. I have the glow. I used the serum that they have on my skin, and I think it's like popping. And the makeup, I didn't want nothing to overpower me. I just want something simple. And yeah, my lip, now I got burned from eating too much salt because my body's not used to it. So if you see this on my lip, it's just salt burns. Okay, but anyway, I love the look. I love everything about it. Love the hair. I think it just goes well with the hair, don't you think? Anyway, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and let me know if you like, you know, the Boxycharm, you know, makeup thing that I did here.